Everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about if your Wi-Fi and hotspot is not working, how you can solve it. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If for example you are having any issue regarding your Wi-Fi or hotspot, it's not connecting or it's not working, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps as I'm showing and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve your Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device Vivo Y33t.